Hello and welcome to Crypto Classroom. My name is Paul. In this video, I'll be teaching you the indicators that you can use on TradingView to help speed up your decision-making process when you are trading any cryptocurrency of your choice. As you can see my screen now, I'm on the BTC USD, and the focus of this two indicators that I'll be focusing on in this video. The indicators called the trend forecasting and the BOSSTF. Trend forecasting and the BOSSTF. Okay, so you can find them on the indicators tab on TradingView. Okay, so these are the tools that smart investors use to decide on what trades to take, when they should take buy or when they should take sell. So if you see, first of all, this is the indicator and this is the predictor, the forecasting. So if you see what is here now, BTC USD, BTC USD. Okay, so you see it's forecasted that BTC will go as high as 110, you know, and then let's see what it says for the next one. We did for using a 1 hour candle. It says, oh, now when you have something like this, right, and the first indicator is giving you a short signal, while this one is forecasting, you should know that there is no proper decision that you can take. This trend forecasting is more or less like a trend line, right? That tells, oh, this is direction. This is where I think the market, this direction that I feel that the market is going. So let's see for 4 hours. Okay. It says, oh, market is coming down somehow. And the year says, when the market is going up, yeah, it says very long. So let's see what another cryptocurrency says. Let's see what Solana. Okay, for Solana, the direction is yeah. Let's say Solana for 1 hour. Yeah, so you see both. So it means that both indicators synchronizes. And what you can also do, you can draw your okay, you can draw your trend line. Okay, draw your trend line here. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. And then, so they meet here. Yeah, so you see, both are. So before reversal, the sales reversal is expected. The trend line sets it at this level, which this also and this also connect to it. Okay, so what you do is you install the indicators, and I'll be doing more videos on indicators that you can use to form your trading decision. Mind you, anything I share here is not a financial advice, so do your own research before you take any action. Thank you for watching.